Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today we're tracking Bitcoin's moves closely across multiple timeframes. Let's break down what's happening and where we could be headed next. Starting with the 1-hour chart, we recently opened a small trade at 66,785 based on a signal from the strategy a couple of hours ago. Right now, price action is fluctuating about 2.5% around 67,400. But with today's calendar and timing in mind, we could see a stronger upward move soon if no big players decide to offload. ETF inflows yesterday were staggering, hitting a total of 402 million, with BlackRock leading the pack, accounting for 292 million of that. This is a clear signal of robust institutional interest, which could fuel price stability or even a breakout if demand keeps up. Moving on to the 4-hour chart, we've got a green dot indicating a short-term uptrend. Earlier, we hit an oversold RSI of 28 and have seen some recovery since then, with room for further upside if momentum holds. Now, looking at the liquidation heat map, we're seeing several key liquidity pockets. Around 65,250 with 1 billion in volume. Around 69,200 with nearly 3 billion in volume. In the short term, the 12-hour chart shows the strongest liquidity at 65,950, a level to watch closely. For the daily, it looks like we're leaning towards 68,100 as a significant target. With these levels in mind, the data points toward potential for continued upward movement, assuming no unexpected supply hits the market. I'll be keeping a close eye on the liquidity and inflows as we move into the weekend. And if you're finding these updates helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Bitcoin insight. It really helps support the channel and keeps you updated on all the latest moves. And see you in the next one.